So we're going on a nature trail. I'm here with my parents, and let's see what we find. I'm recording.
See?
Yeah. Yeah. Disgusting. Okay. This is nothing compared to Colorado. I'll tell you that much. Your mom just said there's an iguana. Let's go. Ah! Holy shit, there are iguanas. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm gonna keep walking like there's nothing. I'm not scared. We don't know where we're going. We just hope it gets us to some place where it's close to our car. My mom just always, here's the thing, my mom always stops to look at every plant like she was in Home Depot, and she just wants to take every plant home, and she doesn't really, you know, it's weird. I always make fun of my parents. By the way, if you're one of those people, oh, why are you so mean to your parents? I'm just messing around. I like making fun of them because they're unique. It says Lighthouse Beach, no name, whatever. You want to go back? Okay. All right, so the beach it is, and then we'll come back. I just wish this trail was a little bit thinner. It would make it more mysterious, but whatever, you know me. I have high expectations with everything. Aw, how cute. Look at them. Gay. Right now we're gonna go back, try to find the car because I really don't know where we're going. We just went back the same route, and we're gonna see if there's more nature trails. I think they're too tired to go to another nature trail, so if we don't, then we're gonna get some ice cream or some shit. I don't know. So that's that. So I don't know if you guys know, but here, these are the only houses in the ocean that are left. It's called Stillville, and the rest have been destroyed by the hurricane. So I don't know if you guys can see it through here. Probably not. Let's try. Probably not, but they're all